This is a demonstration on how to install Nortech Graphics roller panels onto standard roller frames. This frame is a 1.6 diameter tubing, which is equal to a Newman roller M3 frame. And this stretching device is produced by Nortech Graphics. The first thing I'd like to demonstrate is how to choose the appropriate mesh panel. This is a 23 by 31 mesh panel to go onto a 23 by 31 roller frame. And if I look at this panel, I'll see that there is a mesh identification tag here in the corner. And before we install this onto the frame, we want to make sure that our panel is facing the correct direction. So here we have this tag facing upward, and if we look at the edge where the strip is, we'll notice that on one side there's white thread, on the other side there's black thread. If we lay the panel down flat with the mesh identification tag facing upward, the white thread is facing upward. Then just before we tuck this locking strip into this channel, we rotate that strip toward you, leaving the black thread facing upward. The next step, we take the strip with black thread facing upward and press it firmly into the channel on the roller bar. It snaps right into place and holds securely. We want to go all the way around the frame, doing the same thing, flipping the strip so that the black thread is facing upward, and then placing it centered into the channel on the roller bar. As you notice, this pops right in. It's easy to center with these corner cutouts lining up to the edge of the tracked area on the roller. The next step is to stretch the panel onto this frame now that it's securely in position. We're going to use these stretching tools. They have a hook which grips a groove here on the bar. We just place that into the groove, lean it back into the tower, and use the keeper pins to hold it in place. We're going to do that all the way around, opposing sides first. So I did that side first, now I'm doing this side. Okay, there are a couple of different methods as far as sequence for stretching. In some cases, we want to place a relaxing period between stretches so that you can achieve the appropriate tension that you're looking for on the panel. So we're going to go around to each tower one at a time, and we're just going to move down one notch on the tower at a time so that it stretches slowly, and we gradually increase the tension on this frame. Okay, as I'm going down the tower to the different positions, I'm going to be checking the tension on this frame using a Newton meter. So I can see that I'm at 20 newtons. I'm now checking the tension again, and at this distance on the tower, I've achieved the tension that I want on this frame for its purpose. Okay, I've gone all the way around the table, lowering one notch at a time until I've achieved the desired tension on this mesh. Now that I've achieved the appropriate tension on this frame, I'm going to take this torque wrench, which has a built-in ratchet, and use it to securely tighten each one of these bolts to about 65 foot-pounds, thus locking this frame into position and preparing it to be taped and go to the press. Thank you for watching.